Police walked in for Jimmy Jazz. I said he ain't here, but he sure went by. Oh, you're looking for Jimmy Jazz. Yeah, they said, strapped to my cigar for Jimmy Dread. Cut off his ears and chop off his head. Police come look for Jimmy Jazz, 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 Jazz. So they're gonna take the message across the town, maybe put it down somewhere over the other side. See it gets to Jimmy Jazz, Jazz. Yeah. Where's Jimmy Jazz? I said, he was here, but he said he went out. He's there looking for Jimmy Jazz, 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 Jazz. He's got the master gunner for Jimmy Dread. Cut up his ears and chop off his head. Oh, you're looking for Jimmy Jazz, 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 Jazz. What a relief! I feel like a soldier, look like a thief. It's for the jack. Police are gonna looking for the Jimmy Jazz. He came in and cause no good looking here for that Jimmy Jazz, Jimmy Jazz. In fact, don't you bother me, not anymore. I can't take this tale, oh no more. It's